Are you in dire need of a solution that can prevent teeth and gums from excessively bleeding? Does it hurt to watch your gums retreat knowing that one day, your teeth will not have the support it requires to stay in place? If the answers are yes, you've come to the right place. Billions of people around the world face the terrible challenges of poor dental health. Going to the dentist can be expensive. This is true even in countries with subsidized medicine. It can also be scary, stressful, intimidating, humiliating, and even downright painful. The purpose of this review is to unravel the different layers of Dentitox Pro. So, what is Dentitox Pro? Dentinox Pro is a nutritional dental health supplement that is formulated to reverse serious dental issues and to help maintain good dental health. It has numerous benefits. It strengthens your gums, stops bleeding, bad breath, and tooth decay. Dentitox Pro is made from natural products that have been ratioed ideally to provide you with a supplement that is nothing but a gift for your saliva, teeth, and gums. It is pretty distinct from other products because it allows for a 100% natural treatment. Having experienced poor oral health himself, 54-year-old Professor Mark Hall conceptualized the formula and, together with his doctor friend, brought Dentitox Pro to life. At this point, it only seems fair to understand how Dentitox Pro is meant to work fully. How does Dentitox Pro work? Dentitox Pro contains various vitamins, minerals, and plant extracts that are vital in improving the health of teeth and gums. Dentitox Pro works by boosting the concentration of probiotics, thus balancing both types of bacteria. It regulates the oxygen balance while improving the nutritional levels and reducing toxins inside the oral cavity. Where did Dentitox Pro come from? Based on an ancient African tribal ritual, the Dentitox Pro formula was put into a physical form by a man from North Carolina named Mark Hall. Mark suffered from a gum disease himself that led him to a near-death experience and forced him to shun all the modern medicine and cures and look for a solution in nature. Mark claims he followed an ancient African tribal ritual to develop the Dentitox Pro formula. The particular tribe from which Mark got his inspiration has a low rate of dental infections. He combined various plant extracts that had proven dental benefits and put them together in Dentitox Pro. How to use Dentitox Pro? The best way to use Dentitox Pro is to apply it directly to the gums and teeth to get to the exact spot and provide the best result. The product comes with a dropper which makes it even easier to apply. The recommended daily dose of Dentitox Pro is 1 ml per day, which approximately amounts to 6 drops a day. There is no ideal time to use it, and you can apply it whenever you feel like it. You don't have to make drastic changes in your everyday life to incorporate Dentitox Pro into your routine. Nevertheless, using Dentitox Pro doesn't mean you don't have to brush your teeth anymore. This is a supplement, not a replacement. What does Dentitox Pro do? Based on a traditional African medicine, Dentitox Pro. Stronger gums and teeth stronger. Improves your oral hygiene. Prevents tooth decay and erosion. Prevents oral diseases and infections. Helps with inflammation. Whiter teeth and a brighter smile. 100% natural ingredients. Prevents bad breath. You can watch a video on the Dentitox Pro sales page that goes into greater detail on what the formula does and how it works. Link is in the description. What are the side effects of Dentitox Pro? There are no known Dentitox Pro side effects that will affect the general population, and you can vet all of the active ingredients through reputable scientific websites online. Dentitox Pro is entirely safe to use, and it is manufactured in an FDA-approved and GMP-certified facility. However, too much of everything is terrible, and if you take it in excess, you might face some issues. In rare cases, this supplement has led to headaches, indigestion, and even nausea.
If you experience any of these symptoms, stop taking the supplement, and do not continue until you have first discussed the side effects with a doctor. People with pre-existing health conditions are also advised to consult a physician before taking Dentitox Pro. Is Dentitox Pro worth the money? Yes, absolutely. Dentitox Pro is worth every penny. The benefits it provides are worth not hundreds but thousands of dollars. After this review, there should be no doubting that Dentitox Pro is the best dental supplement in the market. The value for money it offers is off the charts, and benefits are right in front of our eyes. There is no other natural dental supplement in the market that compares to Dentitox Pro. There is a discounted link along with some bonuses. Please check this link for more detailed information.